Hey crafters, ready for some ladybug magic? Grab your red and black paper, scissors, and glue. We're making an adorable sun beetle. It's super easy and perfect for fans of the miraculous Ladybug cartoon. Let's transform ordinary paper into something extraordinary. Watch closely as we fold, cut, and glue our way to a cute little beetle. This craft is so fun, you'll want to make a whole colony. Stick around to see the finished product. I promise it's worth it. If you love what you see, hit that subscribe button. Your support means the world and helps us keep the creativity flowing. Let's get crafting.